Okay. Our first activity in this class would be I will check the students. Uh, in my the, as in my previous list of name of students in our previous semester, I have the first student is that Adib Mujibur Rahman, Attalah, Agil Wiroyuda, gua Tina Melinia Putri, Alia Zahra. Hello Alia Zahra, how are you? Next is that we have Okmel, by Okmel Saning Tias, by Rurum Malani, by Siti Humairatul Azizah, by Yohana, Enma, halo Enma, Enma Oktaviani, Gian Miarga, Gio Alanggi, Heri Andrian Pratama, Inggit Rilia Andini, Ita Usmi Oktaviani. Halo Ita Usmi, how are you? It's been a long time not seeing you. And then we have Jihan Nurbaini, Jul Safe Waraihan, Linda Imzuwarni, Muhammad Harun, Muhammad Zainal Fanani, and then Nining Andriani Kamosa, Nur Hikmah. I guess Nur Hikmah means Hiki ya. Nur Hikmah is is Hiki. Halo Hiki. And then Nurul Huda, Rahmatul Fitrah, Rani Sulistiana Putri, Rizka Maharani, and Winda Sari. I guess those are the list of names that I have in my papers. But if there are some students who are not joining this class that I mentioned just now, please Mr. Muhammad Harun tell me who are the students who are not joining this class as I mentioned before. So in this semester would be I will check your daily presence and also your daily activities in my class. So what do you do in my class during our classroom process, during our learning process, and then I will give you score, and then those score will be total by the end of the semester. Just like I have your name, I have our detail of our every meeting here, from first meeting until 14th meeting, and then I will total all of your score. So if you are absent in 1 or 2 meeting or 3 meetings, so it will also reduce your score and reduce the knowledge that you will get, because as in my syllabus, the components of the scoring would be your presence, classroom participation, some task, and then midterm tests, and the last one is your final semester test. Yeah. So now we will continue with our first topic. Our first topic is that about narrative text. Anybody knows what is narrative text? I guess all of you have already heard about narrative text since you are in senior high school. Pasti sudah pernah dengar tentang narrative text ya in senior high school. Okay, narrative text is a text in English which tells you about some activities or event which have chronology, and also it is connected to each other. The example of of this narrative text are just like stories, legends, fairy tale, mystery, and another one is that science fiction. You can also have a horror movies, a horror story, fable, legend, personal experience, but personal experience mostly closely to recount text, but narrative text, recount text is part of narrative text. And then you also have the history, a history. The next one is the slice of life, maybe just like biography of certain person. And the focus of our class today is that telling story. Okay, you are going to tell a story. Okay. The characteristics or the features of narrative text, just like a story, as I told you just now, it will be the first one. It will use a past tense. Once again, it will use a past tense sentence. Next one, it will use certain noun and certain pronoun. Another feature is that it will use certain adjectives in order to create a kind of certain noun phrase, and also it will use many kinds of conjunction, just like before, after, and after that, moreover, many more conjunctions. Now, the last one is that you need to know about the generic structure, the generic structures of a story or a narrative text. The first one is what they call as orientation. So orientation is just like a kind of acknowledgement. You tell about introduce the story. Okay, the next one is what they call as complication. Complication is just like you are giving some a kinds of the beginning of the story. So just like apa ya? Kalau sebutannya awal dari cerita itu pada awal mulanya apa sih? Nah, the next one is what they call as resolution. In the complication you give the complication bagian awalnya itu Anda